As part of the 30th anniversary celebration of the Legacy Lands program, Clark County recently partnered in an interactive, family-friendly learning event at Vancouver Lake Regional Park. It's called an Eco-Blitz, similar but shorter than the better-known 24-hour Bio-Blitz. Experts in the fields of birds, mammals, amphibians and reptiles, plants, macroinvertebrates, and plankton help guide volunteers on how to find and identify various species.
The Vancouver Lake EcoBlitz is one event in a series. They're a regional effort that is of the Intertwine Alliance, and that is a coalition of nonprofits and government organizations that work collectively together to work on natural resource conservation and outdoor recreation issues in the Portland-Vancouver region.
Partners in the Eco-Blitz at Vancouver Lake include the City of Vancouver, Clark County, National Park Service, the Lower Columbia River Estuary Partnership, and the Intertwine Alliance.
It's being staged here at Vancouver Lake for a couple of reasons. First, it's a large park area, and you've got a lot of different environments. You have the lake environment, you have the open fields, you have the forest, you have some wetlands and sloughs environments. So there's quite a bit of diversity in terms of the plant and animal life that use this park.
It's great for me to get out and communicate with the public. You know, as scientists, a lot of times you spend time with a lot of other scientists mostly. So it's nice to be able to communicate things to people without science backgrounds so they can, you know, experience a little more about the environment that they live in.
This event is to get people out and excited about Clark County's natural resources. We're out to catalog the biodiversity of the park, but also to contribute to sort of this regional catalog of all these different species that people might find out and about.
Eco-Blitz volunteers were encouraged to share their findings as they happened on INaturals.org. This website has a free app that allows anyone to post their species observations by mobile device or computer. This is part of a new movement to have citizens be scientists by contributing to a baseline inventory of data that is open to everyone.
Citizen science is one of my passions. What it does is involve the community in understanding what's out there as far as like an Eco-Blitz. Citizen scientists can obviously add a lot to a baseline inventory of an area. So citizens are helping us, and we're educating citizens on the wonderful site that it is.
The iNaturals online community can fact-check and assist with identification.
The kids loved it. We were really impressed with how many trained people there were who actually knew what species they were collecting, and we got to do a little bit of citizen science on the way, so that's fantastic.
We saw a peregrine falcon circling with a red-tailed hawk, and that was pretty exciting. And we also saw a red-shouldered hawk, which is kind of an unusual, not many people really even know what they are, so a great sighting.
Long term, if you get enough observations and things, some of the information can be used in making management decisions for the park. Stewardship, if you're trying to encourage certain habitats or just discourage nuisance plants from invading or things like that. All the information that is logged in can contribute toward that background and analysis of what to do in the best interest of the park and the natural environment.
For their efforts to help build the regional species inventory for all to access, the volunteers, agencies, and organizations involved in the Vancouver Lake Eco-Blitz receive our personal best. To find out about future Eco-Blitzes, visit the Intertwine Alliance website at theintertwine.org. And to become a citizen scientist, download the free iNaturalist app at iNaturalist.org.